pinaka-naging favorite ko pong kasama sa loob is si Sheena po kasi ever since sa Island po, siya rin po yung pinaka-nakaklose ko.
Maraming salamat. I'm sure hindi ka rin makakalimutan ni Sheena. Pero magkikita rin naman kayo sa takdang panahon.
But inevitably, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, you'll always be a part of me. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me?